Hello my dear students, welcome to IMS GATE Academy, myself Sandeep Adari. Do you want to know what exactly are the opportunities through GATE exam and engineering services exam? Now my dear students, would you like to understand the exam pattern or do you want to understand the syllabus and what are the opportunities? Then definitely in this video, I would like to differentiate what are the exact difference between GATE and ESE, or we say Indian Engineering Service Exam. Now my dear students, what is the purpose of GATE exam? GATE exam purpose is to get into IITs, MTech in Masters or post-graduation in IITs or NITs, or you can get into the public sector companies like Maharatna, Navaratna and Miniratna. And if you talk about IOCL, NTPC, HPCL, BHL, all these PSUs are looking for the GATE score. Now similarly my dear students, if you talk about the purpose for IAS exam, technical posts in a Central Water Commission, or if you talk about Central Public Works Department or Border Road Organization, definitely the IAS exam and you will be recruited as a senior engineer there. Now similarly, if you want to talk about the conducting body, GATE is conducted by the top 7 IITs and with IISc, and IES is conducted by the UPSC, Union Public Service Commission. Similarly, if you want to understand the exam frequency or what is the exam when it is going to conduct for GATE is usually in the second week of February. And remember my dear students, for IES, there are two things. One is IES prelims and IES mains. So first, if you are qualified for prelims, then only you will be writing the mains exam. Usually, if you see the January, it will be the prelims and June will be the mains. And after mains also in September, you will be having the interview. So see students, in GATE, there is only one jump. Say you can write the GATE exam and whether you will be getting into PSUs or whether you will be getting into IITs. But in IES, there is this 3-stage program where you will be first writing the prelims, then you will be writing the mains, and then you will be going into the most important thing is interview. Similarly, if you talk about the subject syllabus also, in GATE there is no non-technical part. In GATE, in IES there is non-technical part related to, means other than civil engineering subjects, like they have subjects related to materials. And in civil engineering also you have to give extra attention to cost and estimation topics, and which are not there in GATE. And similarly, you also have to give more preference to building materials, which are less important in GATE exam. Like other than this, if you see the syllabus, geotechnical, environmental, transportation, or fluid mechanics, strength of materials, or water resources engineering, or if you talk about open channel flow or strength of materials, structure analysis, the subjects will be similar. But my dear students, in IES exam, you have to learn in a conventional way also. But in GATE, if you learn whatever the concepts in GATE, that will cover your 80% of your non-technical part in IES. So my dear students, so if you are preparing for GATE and you have a dream to write IES exam, then once you have taken the GATE preparation, then this preparation what you do in your third year and final year of your BTech will definitely help when you are preparing for IES, and it will save your time and you will be the best contender for the IES exam, because you are already, or you can say early preparation will definitely have high chances. So similarly, my dear students, if I talk about the exam pattern, in IES, in a GATE exam, we have objective questions. There will be 65 questions, 30 questions are of 1 mark and 35 questions are of 2 marks. We have multiple select questions, multiple choice questions and NAT questions, which we call fill in the blanks questions. But here, as I told you, in prelims, we have objective questions. But remember, the speed and accuracy is also very important in IES prelims. In addition to this, we have, as I told you, it will be conventional based. Your writing skills are very important in conventional, and you have to have the formulas in fingertips, because in prelims the speed and accuracy will be also tested along with the concepts. Similarly, who are eligible to write the GATE exam? Definitely see, for GATE exam, a third year student can write and a final year student can write and a dropped out or a passed out student can write. But if you see, if you are having final year BTech only or after completion of BTech, they are eligible for the IES exam. Now, my dear students, if I talk about the number of papers in a GATE exam, we have around 29 papers. We have civil engineering, we have mechanical or electrical, electronics. Similarly, we have XE papers also, computer science, artificial intelligence. So we have around 29 papers. But in ESE, we have one common preliminary paper, and the respective conventional papers will be also there. Now see students, when you talk about the scoring will be out of 100. For if you see in IES, it will be based on prelim score, it will be based on your objective means conventional score, and also there are marks for interview. So there is no point of interview in GATE. But if you are attending some of the previously in IITs, they used to conduct interviews, but now most of the IITs are also not conducting the interviews. But in IES, interview is a mandatory. So my dear students, they test your knowledge in a practical way. So the concepts in thorough knowledge and the speed and accuracy for a prelims exam. In addition to this, I told you already, the concepts in objective oriented, there you required fast writing skills also, whatever you know. In addition to this, if you ask the difficult level, sir, GATE is somewhat high, but if you are focused on all the previous year GATE questions, and if you follow the test series, if you follow time-bound tests, and if your concepts, if you more concentrate on subjects like geotech, environmental, transportation, or fluid mechanics, or open channel flow, in GATE with maths and aptitude, definitely you will have high chances. But in IES, I will tell you, it includes all the technical studies and general studies. So every part is very important, my dear students. And if you see the notification in civil engineering, I proudly say that in IES, civil engineering will have the more number of posts, but still you will hardly have 200 posts. But if you are very much thorough with the subject and concepts, definitely you will have high advantage in IES. Now, similarly, my dear students, if you want to talk about the career opportunities, if you get into MTech in definitely in old IITs like IIT Bombay, IIT Bank, IIT Madras, or ISC Bangalore, your research and development R&D work will be also very high. You will be trying to publish some journals and science directory. With this, you will be getting highly paid jobs, more than 10 lakhs if you can say. And if you learn some softwares like ETABS, MX Roads while pursuing your MTech, definitely you will have. But what we do with ESE, you will get the central government scales, and they are very highly reputed. The amenities provided over there, like if you talk about the car, or if they are provided about the amenities like household activities, all these things will be very given high priority, and it's a white collar job. You will be having a respectable position in the society. In addition to these subjects covered, I have told you, in subjects GATE, if you see, my dear students, if you study geotechnical, environment, transportation, and some of the topics like geomatics and RCC with maths and aptitude, definitely you will have high chances into IIT or PSU. But in ESE, you will have a general studies also. You have to consider on some of the materials like metallurgy and materials concepts also. So my dear students, in IES, you should be focused at least for 1 year. 1 year full dedication should be given. And even in the selection process, it takes 1 year. So almost 2 years will be there for IES. So you have to be mentally prepared. And if you want to have a white collar job, and you want to have a respectable position in the society, and if you want to serve for the nation, definitely IES is the one of the best opportunity, my dear students. Now see students, we at IMS GATE Academy offer, you can join our Telegram group channel, my dear students, all the PSU job notifications. In addition to this, if you say about the videos related to the current topics or videos related to the subjects, or if you want to have any foundation series, definitely you can visit our channel, and that is given in the description. In addition to this, in the Telegram group, we will be conducting daily quizzes and tests, so you can join that. Now, my dear students, in addition to this, what we do at IMS GATE Academy. In IMS GATE Academy, we offer online GATE coaching, offline GATE coaching. We also provided self-recorded sessions. We have a premium product of GATE 33 years solutions with also recorded solutions. In addition to this, if you want to test yourself, you can test yourself with subject test, chapter test, multiple subject test, and also advanced level test. My dear students, we at IMS GATE Academy are successful with the one-to-one mentorship. So please utilize this opportunity also. I hope this video will give you a clear indication what exactly is the difference between GATE and IES, and I hope you will take the right decision at right time. And this table will definitely will help you that you have to start GATE preparation when you are studying third year, or if you are passed out student, then definitely you can also start with the IES preparation parallelly with GATE. I hope this video will help you. Thank you and all the best.